What could have been and should have been a 5 to 7 minute investigation resulted in an innocent person being arrested and their constitutional rights being violated.
You're the person that they called on, so
first time I just like that. It's gonna give my
me asking you for your information is nothing illegal because you're the person they called on. I need to find out who you are, and you're telling me one thing, so I gotta call the property manager and ask them if they were the ones that allowed you on the property.
Yeah, that's
yeah. So I need your name. Now without any attorney, whatever. It's up to you, brother. Okay. Look, I have the right to respectfully answer at any time until you understand the rights I've just read to you. Now, with these rights in mind, you wish to talk to yourself. I'm asking you lawfully to see who you are. You're the one making it difficult. Now, if you want to impair my investigation, that's fine. That's fine. But I don't think you want to take it to that extent, brother. For giving me your name and date of birth, your ID,
you have keys on,
or your full name. No, there's no keys. Supposedly, he lost them inside.
I discovered this video on the Junkyard News channel. Check it out and don't forget to subscribe.
All I'm asking for is your name.
It's really not difficult. And it's not impeding your investigation because it's not a physical, or it doesn't, give you my ID doesn't.
Yes, sir. So you got to understand, sir, I'm investigating. Okay? You match the description of the gentleman that was in the yard, okay? Yeah. So that's the only reason why I'm asking you. Yes, they said that you were in the yard. Yeah, they said you were in the property. So that's the only reason why I'm asking you. Yes, brother. And I'm not going to run your name. I'm not. All I knew is that I made contact with you, and that's it. But now you're making it bigger than it is because all I'm asking is for a name and date of birth. You don't want to give me your ID? Just give me your name and date of birth, and that's it.
Yeah, unfortunately, the state takes you.
Yeah, dude, you have to identify yourself, man. You're making you're making this bigger than it is, brother. That's it.
It's okay. We go on our way, man.
All I have is Martinez. You're giving me your first name like a normal person would.
Okay, my name is not going to help you in your investigation, first of all.
Yeah, but I made contact with you, brother.
Contact is not enough reasonable suspicion for you to seize my identification.
You're not being placed under arrest or anything, brother. Okay?
Okay, are you asking for my name?
I'm asking you for your full name, brother.
If you're asking for my name, I exercise my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. If you're demanding my ID, that's a fourth.
I'm not demanding. I did never demand. All I said is give it to me, okay? Now here's the problem. I'm investigating, okay?
Okay, but are you asking for my identification or
I'm asking you for name and date of birth? That's all I'm asking you.
Asking, right?
That's it, brother.
Don't answer questions.
All right, man. So if you want to play this card with me, man, I got all night. You don't need a supervisor because what's going to happen is, dude, I'm going to place you under arrest for failure of ID, okay? And that's going to be on you, not me.
To be under arrest?
You are in the wrong, and I told you were in the wrong, and I told you were gonna, and I told you all this, and you thought it was funny.
I never thought it was funny.
No, you laughed. You walked in and tried to make everyone laugh.
Funny were your comments, brother. That's it.
What were my comments?
Your comments that you're saying Florida told this, I'm gonna get a new month.
Florida versus JL, that's case law. I can tell because you unlawfully arrested me.